This is JoJo. Come on, JoJo. Did you hurt yourself again? Did you hurt yourself again? Why are you freaking out? Are you really freaking out? It's just my talking. We're safe now.
Please wait. Please say a command.
Oh, gross.
Please say the message type. Please try again.
I'll show you a chode. Just like video recording you.
Sorry, command not recognized. Opening text message.
Ooh.
I can't do that.
Hey.
Please say a command.
Penis.
Yes, penis.
Ready? Who's calling someone?
Please say a command.
Vagina.
Did you say send message to home?
To who?
Home?
Home? That has something to do with the vagina.
Message to.
I don't. Let's say
Please say a command.
balls.
Please say the name or number, or say voicemail or last number.
Penis.
Did you say call? April P.
Aislinn P? Is that what it said? It's P-face, everybody.
Pizza face.
Pizza face. That looks really wrong, so I'm only getting your like mouth and body right now, so like your face isn't like really showing. It looks really wrong. Do the thing. Yeah, do that.
Wait.
Like so. Okay, what should I say?
I have 4 goldfish.
Why do you
In a
like me
bucket.
Why do you like me to say that so much?
Because I like it.
Okay, turn that way. Other way. All the way.
Go.
That's so embarrassing.
Do it again. Try to do it all the way through.
Okay. Laughing. I used to do it all the time.
Do it. Yeah.
Again?
Yeah.
I have 4 bitches in the bucket.
I can't even look at you. It's like,
Bucket! Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm really scared. You scared the shissies out of me, Missy. Wait. Did I hit your boob? Oh, dang it.
ooh.
Don't run on my bed!
Stop. That's a curve.
You know them?
What?
You know Dada Curve?
Cookies?
Cookies? I thought you just said
Cookies?
My brother is the Cookie Monster. Ah! It was a really slow reaction there. Lame.
My name is what? My name is who? Slick a shim shady.
No.
See it.
No, bitch. No. I'm gonna stop the video now. It's been going on for way too long. How do you stop it?